at this final step and ensure their victory. Anything short of that means that we have a calculator game against the Unicorns of Love with a possibility of a 2-star by their opponents being enough to pull through. MilaNello not going to give them any space at all, though, having picked up a 3-star of his own to secure victory in the previous war against Aphelion Esports. He is very familiar with this clutch positioning and needing to get that final strike to take down his Japanese foes. Gets the CC pull early on, and with that Town Hall knocked down, it's all about the destruction derby that will follow. Massive E-Drag strike in the bottom left will be supported by 4 rage spells and 3 freezes. Just a little bit of clutch versatility there with the invisibility and poison spells to try to knock down the remaining CC troops and shield them as they are going to take a massive amount of damage storming through this space, Judo.
Knows he's not going to hit the tornado trap now, and the E-Dragons is his favorite attack strategy, but he doesn't have a lot of force moving into the center of the base here. The E-Drags have actually been pushed to the left and the right. He's got nothing for the central area. And what is he going to do here? The E-Drags constantly getting pushed around from the sweeper, sending in the Royal Champion to try and help out. I'm not sure if it's going to be enough, if he can still keep the E-Dragons moving through. We've seen the success he had with the Inferno Dragons, but this one not quite happening for him. Still has the RC ability and a glimmer of hope, Woody.
An aggressive placement on that rage spell, trying to keep the Royal Champion and those E-Drags on target and going in as fast as they can. Knocks down the enemy Archer Queen. She's spinning around, and the last E-Drag soaks into the sinking air mine. Almost goes down. Can't finish it off, though, and MilaNello gets the win for us.
He makes it look so easy.